How to log in or sign in to Amazon Prime. So if you want to log into your Amazon Prime, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Amazon Prime. And once you've searched, here you will have Amazon Prime Video, right? So you can simply click on the login option under www.primevideo.com. And here you can go for the upper right and then click on sign in. And to sign in, first you need to enter your email or your mobile number and then click on continue. But if you don't have an Amazon account, then go for create your Amazon account and then you can create one account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in, then enter your email or your mobile number and click on continue. And here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password so that you can reset or recover your password using your email. But if you remember, then simply enter your password here. And if you want to keep the login information on your PC or your desktop, then click on this box. And if you don't want to save your information, then unclick it and click on sign in. And now you will receive a security code to your phone number that you have used to create your account. So simply enter that code here and then click on submit code. But if you didn't receive the code, then you should wait for this 1 minute to pass and then you can click on resend code, which will be here. And once you've entered the code, you can click on submit code and you will be logged into your Prime Video. So that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Amazon Prime Video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.